When developing a custom feature in Onshape like this bracket, you can include custom table information and engineering calculations. Here, in this particular custom feature for a load-rated bracket, we have it calculating a simple beam analysis, and we store the results on the part as a parameter that we can then pull in to a custom table so that way we can use it moving forward and analyze the differences between different variants. So here, let's add another bracket. In this series of brackets right here, I have 4 different bracket features that I can compare. And now I'm going to set the material and add the options that I want. Now in the custom table, I can go ahead and display different columns. So this is also a capability with custom tables and Onshape, the ability to filter information once you have a lot of information in that custom table. And you can see here, you can even have it color the fields if they are out of specification, right? So you can see the safety factor is out of whack there. That's why it was in red. Custom tables are great for analyzing what's really going on in your engineering project.